Christ. What it do? What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie back at it again with another video. Today you guys are watching my video, and today we're about to get the car worked on today. Today is the 350Z day, and I'm about to go to AutoZone, pick up the spark plugs because the homie Mike had me come to his house last night after he got off work. He hooked up the connector and all that, and we found out that the third one, which is in the middle on the driver's side, has burnt out. So instead of me just replacing that particular one, I got to get all of them because it looked like nobody ever touched them before. So they still the stock spark plugs, and got to get that anyway. So let's go to AutoZone, grab it, and we go from there, and we're gonna have this cool little vlog. So let's do it. Beautiful day in California. There goes the Teggy, and there goes my baby. So we're gonna go in here. We gonna get it. But man, this shit sounds horrible. Let's get in here. That's the thing with having too many keys. Bingo. Let's get in the car and let's get this going. Ain't it crazy that I got my fucking door right here? I still gotta buy the clamps for this part and the door so I won't move it too much, but it is what it is. We're about to get this day started, man. And yeah, let's get ready to go to AutoZone. All right, so I got the spark plugs I need. I needed 6 of them. So let's get in here. We got it.
What's up? I'm excited.
So this is it.
But I want to check cylinder number 3. So
Okay.
remember I told you?
Oh yeah, do the switch, right? Or something like that?
Every car, bank 1,
Okay.
bank 2.
All right.
2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5.
Right.
Number 3 is right there, remember?
Right. Smack in the middle. Okay. Okay. So NGK is like basically OEM type, or
GK is good.
okay.
They come pre-gap. That's why I wanted you to get that one.
Okay.
You're going to take a lot of shit off.
Oh, this one cost a little extra too.
Yeah, it's
This one's.
one.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. That's why I said go get NGK.
Got
it's
you.
just easier.
Got you. Oh
I
hell
take
yeah.
this off because it's easier for me to get through. I could do it like this, but that's too much shit out.
Too much
I'd rather
in the way?
move it.
Okay.
Because let's say we are gonna change it.
Okay.
I already have some of it off, right?
Yep.
So there's only 2 options. There's 3 options that could be wrong with this car.
All right.
Spark plug, bad coil, right?
Right.
Next one, the Plymouth or valve cover gasket. I highly doubt that. Z owners say that, but in the mechanics standpoint, that does not cause vibration or misfire.
Right.
It's an oil leak. That's it. A knock sensor could cause that.
Okay.
Or for a knock sensor to come in, you would have a P300 code.
Okay.
All in this side of the cylinder.
Right.
But you only have 1 code for a cylinder, which is 3.
Right.
If it's a 1, 3, a 5, 2, 4, or 6.
Okay.
Well, the reason why I would think it's a knock sensor, it would have said all P300, all of them.
Right.
That means all of them's messed up.
Right.
Does it technically mean misfire? That's what it would have said. But it's not. It's only pointing at 1. So that's why I want to check your coil.
Okay.
I want to check your spark plug first.
Okay.
That's it. That's all we're going to do.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
We'll check your spark plug. If the spark plug's covered in oil
Okay.
and it's bad, or we'll replace it. Also, what I'm going to do is swap coil number 3
Okay.
with coil number 1. So we turn out, kill 2 birds with 1 stone, right?
Right.
So we'll turn it on. I'll say, oh, if it says, oh, number 3 is good, it's a spark plug. Or I'll say, misfire cylinder number 1. P3, something's,
Right.
They're like, oh, wait, now it's the coil.
That's the coil.
Bad.
Got
But
you.
when you replace, you always want to replace your spark plug. You have never replaced until, unless we don't know if the owner did, right?
Right.
Might as well replace it
Place it
now.
on now. Right. But I do want to get a Plymouth spacer. I was just thinking about
Now, if you want to do that, get a Plymouth spacer. Then you need the the cover gasket spray.
Yeah.
Put that.
Okay.
Which is good. Plymouth spacer is good. Here's heads up. Get an oil cash can, dog.
That's what I was thinking about too. I need that.
Oil bypass version just keep coming around circulation. That's all the bad oil. That's the one I have on my red eye.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's just like $194, but
it's worth it though.
Imagine that's a. It's not imagine. It is another car insurance.
Got you.
Blow by oil comes back around, gets dirty, which will be all in here. You'll see it.
Oh. Oh,
You
and
know,
then
do
these have
that.
a bad issue with overheating with oil. I mean,
Oil
no,
consumption
but
is low
overburning.
for
I'm
this
sorry.
car. Oil catcher will help that. If
So
this
should I
was
do that
my
one
car,
first?
that would be the first thing I would have bought.
First, okay.
know,
I'm gonna order that.
In general, I'm just saying.
No, I'm gonna order that.
I understand. It's your money. Do what you do. You
No. I want to do what's best though. That's more.
And then
beneficial.
start changing your oil. Don't use no cheap oil. Also, watch what gas you use. Every gas is, bro. You use Arco, it's bullshit. You use fucking 7-Eleven, it's bullshit. Don't
I use Chevron,
best
Shells,
is Chevron
and
or Shell. That's it.
What about the other
Don't even
one?
use safe gas. No.
No, not that cheap shit. That race car one on Brentwood Boulevard.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Why though?
No, the other one.
I know it has
the
a
blue
local
one,
race
it's-
gas. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
You could, but why? It's a daily. That's like
True,
saying I'm
true.
throwing an MSVP 109 on my car every day. Why?
Right. True.
It's only good for racing. Gas mileage sucks.
Right.
Stick to one kind of gas. Keep it like that.
Okay.
Every once in a while, throw some like octane boosters. Like I use a booster thing.
Okay.
They're a big company.
Okay.
They've been dynoly proved and show it works. You know, mix it with 91 or 93. Makes your car run better. The alcohol contact and ethanol. It's not really ethanol, but you know.
Right.
It's really good.
Okay.
So I follow a lot of like YouTube. No, you know, besides you.
Yeah.
You know, I follow a lot of YouTube. Like there's one that like they test like.
We need to get your
boost-
channel going, bro.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get.
Yeah, I'm thinking about making a channel, bro.
No,
Think about it.
on God, bro.
I just need
I'm
some
trying
oil.
to.
I don't know how it works.
This year, I'm encouraging all like my close friends, which is only like 4 of y'all, and then my family. I want everybody to do
family,
it.
bro.
You know, bro, real God, on God, bro. Besides this car shit, we fuck the car shit. We like family for real. But no, definitely, I want to get everybody on this shit, bro, because 2021, bro, it's our year, bro.
Cause like, I hate to say it, it's like the first mod I did was the oil catcher. That's it. I barely hit 2,000 miles.
That's what I'm
After
saying.
I broke in the oil. Then I bought wheels. Like I was thinking, like, bro, I can introduce the catch can. I can introduce the wheels.
Bro, you
how I
can-
bought my car.
Do
I was
it.
like, man, think about
Do it.
I'm not doing that.
I'd show you.
That might be you. You might.
I can literally, if you got, the way you make a YouTube channel is if you have, or do you have the YouTube app, right?
Yeah.
And do you leave comments and likes and shit?
Yeah.
You already got a channel. Now you gotta just put the picture and go on the, go on the website, on the computer, go on the computer.
But don't I have to like have a good ass camera and all that?
No, that's why I be trying to tell people. You know Doug, the one that the goofy like white dude. He always do like the car
it's
reviews.
hella cool.
He only uses iPhone. He even admitted it. He never used camera. He always, his whole career, he got one of the most subscribers and most views in content, and he only uses iPhone. He documented, said it.
Video edits and shit. I don't have all that.
You got it on your iPhone, bro. iMovie. That's what I use.
Yeah?
The iMovie app is the easiest thing.
What about all that like music and ringtones?
Easy.
All the fucking...
I will show you. It's easy, bro. If I can do it, you can do
so
it.
I'll put it this way. If I do my first YouTube channel, you gotta be there.
Bro, you don't gotta fuck what?
Do my future.
Bro, no, it's good. No, it's good. Then yeah.
I always wanted to make a music video.
Bro, we can do it. Hey, we can do it. But no, seriously, bro, make it. I show you. I tell you, cause I even made my cousins. Now I got my cousin trying to do it. And what I'm gonna do is,
Imagine going to racetrack for the first time. Like I already thought about like how I introduced myself, right? The first channel.
right,
How I become. I got the red eye.
right.
What cars I had before that? 392. The fucking the last Hellcat wide body I did.
Yep, facts.
It's already startup, right? Then talk about, oh, what's your plans? You know, well, I'm trying.
I'm gonna tell you. I'm sorry to cut you off. I'm sorry to cut you off, bro. I'm sorry to cut you off, but for you, your channel really blossomed because you so educated with modifications. You so educated with car maintenance and all this stuff. A lot of people that get these Hellcats and get these whatever cars, sometimes it's their first time even getting a car that's performance and shit. So they would need to know the right information because a lot of times some people put bullshit on the internet without really knowing facts. You know a lot of shit about cars, bro, and I'm telling you, with your knowledge of cars, it's gonna take your channel to a whole different level, bro. I know, bro. I know, bro. It's gonna go. Let the YouTube pay that off, man. Seriously. So this is the thing. What I'm gonna do is, so every video since I introduced my cousin taking his delivery, so now every video I got in my description. So now it's gonna be linked. So once we get your channel started, I get the link and no, it's bro. It's easy as fuck, bro. You can literally make a video in like 15 minutes and have it all done. I'll show you.
Fixing cars, maintenance, little here and there. being a mechanic for like what 8+ years, it's different. Like I know what to do.
Yeah.
Compared to being like, hey, it's your boy Yui. Y to the U to the shit.
Ooh, dropping gems on them. Hey, this is what we do. The first video you make, I can help you, and then I show you exactly how to edit it with you doing it. And bro, I'm telling you, it's so fucking easy. And then I can send you, I can airdrop you or Dropbox like background music that you don't get copyrighted. So when you do be able to make money, you won't have music that's copyrighted. That means you won't get paid. So YouTube makes background music for YouTubers to use and stuff. So it's easy, bro. I'm telling you.
Because I want my own music.
Yeah. Then you can
like Facebook. You know, like if you have music in the background, you're
right,
like working out.
Right.
They're like, oh, in this thing, Canada and stuff, you can't play it. So they play my video, but it's like muted. And I'm like,
yeah, no, see, that's why
what's
you got. And then we got people that makes beats and stuff, so they do it for you too. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, I got you. It's easy as fuck, bro. Like. It's really easy. I need you to do it, bro, for real. Yeah. I'm trying to encourage all people I'm really close with to really do it, bro, because even if you just like, and then when you make your video.
Like when we went to the big Livermore car meet.
Oh
yeah.
The
one at Porsche where we used to work at.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, you missed
all this famous YouTube people. I was like, what the fuck? I see you guys on YouTube.
It's
crazy, and they're like, they look at me like, oh, you're the guy who commented me. I'm like, huh? How do you know me? Like,
right?
You're the one with Reddit, right? I was like. Yeah.
Yep.
She's like, yeah, you're hella young. You gotta Reddit. I was like, what do you do? I was like, man, I'm just that time.
Hard
I was just
worker.
Mechanic, nothing special.
Yep. Man, you're a hard worker, bro. You got to do this, bro. You got to do this. No, you have to do this.
So you too, huh?
Let's do it, bro. I'm telling you, I show you everything, bro. It's not hard. It's really not hard, bro. I wouldn't be doing it if it's that hard. Honestly, it's easy.
How did you get into it?
How did I get into it?
I hate to ask you, but how? Like, what made you say, you know what? I'm make a YouTube video.
The first thing I started off doing, well, because I started watching YouTube. Good question. Damn, what?
I was just curious, because I was like, you obviously didn't just wake up like, you know, I want to fucking be a YouTube star, make money. The first thing is people that's, what I learned is I don't learn to open my own business.
Right.
There's 99.8% of the chance you're gonna fail. It's true.
Right.
I believe it. There's only 3 things you can do: invest in a company, stocks and money, or real estate.
Facts.
I say real estate. It could be anything.
Right.
Sell houses, put money down, help build houses. That's it.
Right.
That's the only thing I believe you can make money.
Right.
This is just all grind and shit.
Right.
I'm just good at it.
And
I'm not the best.
And that's what I'm telling you.
I'm not the best build 1,900 horsepower mechanic. I'm not.
But you know,
those are all different.
But you know more than the average person.
But I can tell you is, I don't like ripping people off.
Exactly.
I don't like
Facts.
to go to a dealer. I worked at a dealer
for
more than 5 years. Come on, people would charge people $900,000 brake job. It's fucking bullshit.
True.
Half the people they let them do this loop techs and they don't even have their ACs.
Facts. That's facts. Because I actually was a loop tech for a minute. So you're right. But it's easy, bro. I think what made me start the YouTube channel is because I was doing music before. So I needed to do music videos back then. Yeah. But then I learned into it. Then at the time I had animals. That's what started. I was breeding reptiles. I was breeding leopard geckos. And
you did that?
Bro, oh my, I got videos, man. I got bro. I used to have like 26 leopard geckos, bro. Yeah. And I used to breed fish. So
because you sell them for money.
Yeah.
They did the same thing with like fucking fish and all that shit.
And so I did. That was basically how I started because I was watching videos about them, learning how to breed, learning about the genetics and all that shit. And then it converted into cars at the long run. Like after I saw my Mustang, once I got the Honda, that's when I actually really got into the car scene. And that's basically what happened.
So another tip, a lot of people always forget to hook this up. And they always wonder why they have a vacuum. That can also cause it like that P3s or something called.
Oh.
I don't know about how, but it's like P3 something. That's very common in those cars. You see it happen a lot. Oh. And I'll be like, hey bro, you got a big ass vacuum leak. So
that one I put on, that was a stock one. That wasn't probably strong
that's fine.
enough.
That's good. Like this is a coolant line too. Some people don't know, but this is actually a coolant line. I do have to remove it. We can top it off. What's hard about these? So this right here is the Plymouth, Plenum, whatever how they say it.
Yeah, we saying Plenum.
There's a gasket here all around. There's one in the middle. And deep down is this valve cover.
Okay.
This black one. There's both sides.
Okay.
That's why when they're like, oh, it's probably your valve cover. Hold on, bro. What I learned from my foreman, okay, and my shop mechanic master techs and my teacher Earl from LMC, you know, Dodge guy, don't fucking listen to forums.
Facts.
99.9% is just people who own this car. They work on their own car.
Right.
Don't listen to forums. Please don't. Go back to the basics. Have someone fully diagnosed correctly.
Right.
It's like saying you're gonna let a guy who graduated Wild Tech. No offense, I'm just giving an example. Okay, don't hate on me. Don't fucking comment me. Don't hate on my new fucking NTR Red Eye.
Right.
Fucking YouTube. You know. But
And Integra.
you want to build fucking twin turbos 350Z, right? You want to pull up 600 wheel horsepower to the crank. You're gonna let some dude at Wild Tech who graduated after 16 months build your car? You're gonna talk to the guy who's done 10, 15 year experience, who owns a shop, who knows what to put, who would recommend parts because they've done it, been there, done that. They know what parts are bad. They know what parts don't work.
Facts.
Or what fucking they just know. It's all experience.
Right.
You know, we have a guy named Christopher Rivolis. It's the team I'm in, our family, New Type Racing, right?
Okay.
Chris Bill, he's a reason why he's Chris Bill. He's out there. He's the known, he builds mechanics.
Fuck.
He builds race cars for a living.
Okay.
You know, that's why his name is out there.
Damn.
He's one of the best mechanics out here in the Bay Area.
Jesus.
And I listen to him too. Just listen sometimes.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, that's true.
It's all experience.
Right.
You know, it's like you experience your headlight. You're like, what the fuck? It's a forklift, but it didn't work.
Right.
You're like, why? It won't work. Well, you found out why. It's the wrong year.
True.
So next time a person says, oh, I can't get my headlight because it's a forklift, you'll be like, bro, that's because that's the wrong year you got it for.
Right.
Why? You experienced the issue. You already knew.
You're right.
Same thing with the DE and HR motors, right?
Right.
Same shit.
You're right.
So here's your valve cover.
Okay.
So I do see a little seepage. It's not that bad. Right there, see that? Well, sometime you would want to replace that for sure.
Okay.
But I'm telling you, 90% it ain't that, dog.
You know what's funny?
Because again, I'm doing the process elimination. If it was this, like I said, it would have popped up multiple codes.
Right.
It's only popping one fucking code, number three, and it's just number three. It's right there.
Right.
Now, if it starts saying misfire, if it said misfire, for example, on this side, bank 2, right? It would have said misfire 2, misfire 4, misfire 6, misfire P300, everything. This side, this bank.
I see what you're saying. Yeah.
It's not.
It's not.
So you do always start with the easiest shit. Go for the regular. The only reason why I'm taking this off, I wanted to see her, like I said, I wanted to see her fucking.
So the Plenum spacer will go in between this part, right?
It'll sit about.
Because I seen some they have a little
half an inch. It'll sit about this much.
Because I've researched, they said after you get a tune, you can get anywhere depending on the brand and all this. Because they said they got thick ones, but they said don't go too thick.
Yeah, you don't want
but they said
it's like
there's
blowing
some
out your manifold, but you just because it's sucking so much heat.
Yeah.
It's that Plenum to the valve cover, it's just stick together.
Right.
Too close.
Right.
The spacer helps a little bit.
Okay.
Better for oil efficiency too. It's like longevity.
Okay.
I have never used a spacer in my imports ever. Like I was never
Right.
I'm not gonna spend money to gain big power. It's not gonna be something for me.
Right. Yep.
For you would want it. For your oil catch can, you also want it, because
That's why I got
money to the why fix on this. Like I said, like for me on the red eyes Hellcats when I first raced my other Hellcat. When I ran 10.7 and then 10.2.
Talk that shit, bro.
I didn't just build a car. It didn't work like that.
Right.
I worked on the weakness. What's the number one weakness for Dodge Hellcats? Chargers or Challenge, doesn't matter. It was traction, right?
Right.
They put fucking 20 by 9.5 wheel.
Holy shit.
The fucking width.
Yeah.
And we had like those was it the Continental tires?
Yep.
Yeah, that's good for daily driving, all weather.
Right.
Not for racing. So we swapped it. We found out that Mickey Thompson Street R's are the best to run with. They're very sticky. We found out that we run with maybe a 17-inch rim, like by 10 or 11. Which I got right there.
Right.
For my newer car. We learned that the rear diffs are really bad on Hellcats. They'll crack. No, now here's a note. Chrysler, there's nothing wrong with your diff. You built them awesome. They are awesome production that you guys made. They're strong. It's not the diff. So all you owners, don't get mad at SRT engineering. It's not the diff that's fucked up. It's how it's bolted onto the chassis of the member.
Oh, yeah.
All that power to the wheel, it just shakes.
It shakes.
So we got to put a bracket. So, you know, for performance makes RS diff brace.
Okay.
I know other brands as well, but they're the ones I know. We know that our drive shaft sucks, especially 15, 16, and 18 models on Hellcats. They're 2-piece aluminum.
Okay.
So all that power spins, I'll snap. That's another thing. Always work on your weakness. Like the red eye. People, I don't know if some people know this, but a lot of Dodge owners know, a lot of builders know. The lower control arm are very weak on those. If you compare the lower controller arm and upper, it's the same that's on the V6, SST, Challenger, SRT.
Swear to God.
It's so thin, so all that power, it bends.
It just bends it.
What happens? It
starts
hops.
Right.
Change that bitch. So I always, when I work on cars, at least what I learned from new type Dom and Chris and fucking Neil and Rodney, it's like work on the weakness first. Don't expect to I'm gonna throw hella money, in the car and be fast. It doesn't work like that. Learn how to drive it too.
Right.
Go to the track, racetrack.
Right.
It doesn't matter if you go on the street and pull runs. It doesn't mean shit.
Hey, that doesn't mean shit. Yeah.
Now tell them go to the racetrack.
Yeah.
I'm not saying I'm a pro. I'm saying go to the race. Let's see
Learn
your
your
60,
shit.
let's see your title. Let's see who really is a good driver from a dig.
Yeah.
Not from a fucking 60-row. Go for a straight dig.
Right.
Who's really better?
Right.
First one to leave the line, that already tells you is a better driver.
Right.
You can put any driver. You can have the same fucking car. You can have a 2JZ built the same way, both 1,000 horsepower, whatever, twin turbo. Put two different drivers. They ain't gonna be the same.
The same. You're right. You're right.
Never.
The reaction time. You gotta just. It's a lot to go into it.
So yeah, this one's leaking too a little bit. Check it out. See that dirt? See that?
Yeah, I see that. Yep.
Right there.
Oh.
So you're going to need a valve cover gasket in the future.
Okay.
So whenever you're ready, what I would say is to help you save time. Why pay two labor? Replace the Plenum gasket.
Okay.
Because that has to come off.
Okay.
And then you go to valve cover, everything has to come off.
Okay.
Shit.
Okay.
Do one labor.
One.
Some people are like, oh, do this and then come back and pay again. I'm not lying to you. I'm going to tell you, do it at the same time.
Right.
Saves me time, saves you time.
Save time. Right.
I like to make money and save time.
Right. Exactly.
But I also like to help people I'm not going to fucking rip you off, bro. Remember your rotor?
Yeah. Real talk.
Once you put the rotor and put the old brakes, get it all at once.
Makes sense.
Do it right.
Makes sense. That's true.
Why take a shower if you're not going to change your underwear? That's fucking
facts.
Facts. See what's going on. See why. She sound like a Subaru.
I know, bro. It sounded hella well. I'm like, what the fuck? And then all of a sudden, my car started shaking.
I really thought you were gonna take that there. I was like, oh, don't do that.
Oh my god, bro. That shit was so. Yeah, that shit sucked.
Hey, it still runs though. Alright. Pulling out the coil. The beauty of these coils, they're rubber. Okay. So here's your coil. Doesn't look fucked up. We'll test it out. Okay. So this is number 3 will work. You write the number on it so we know this is it. Okay. Will help you understand what.
Yeah, smart.
So we know it's 3.
Okay.
Okay. Coil doesn't look fucked up. Sometimes these tubes will break. This is one piece.
Okay.
The inside thing's fucked up. Tabs are connected. So I'm also check the harness on it.
Okay.
I don't see nothing really wrong with it.
Okay.
Physically, I can't tell.
Right.
But you look at it, like I said, I've seen some of this broke.
Mm-hmm.
This is 2 pieces.
Okay.
You wonder what's going on.
Okay.
And then the harness it was on. This is the harness. So you also want to inspect the harness. Sometimes rat, chew. Look at the cuts. Anything cut? I don't see nothing bad. So that's good news.
Okay.
So we want to look down the hole right here.
Okay.
See the hole?
Yep.
Okay. There's the hole.
Yep. See that? Right
I don't see no oil.
I don't see nothing here. It look clean.
So now we know it's not flooded. I don't smell fume. That's a good sign.
Good. Yes.
That's a really good sign.
Yes.
So let's go ahead and pop the bitch out.
Okay.
Let's pop the spark plug out.
Okay.
See what we're working with.
Sweet, sweet. Well, that's a freaking good sign. So far, everything's looking better than
Nothing too bad.
nothing too bad. So that's a
have
good
an
thing.
oil leak, but it's not bad.
Okay.
It's seeping. Bad is when you just see hella oil, bro.
Okay.
It just means it's seeping. Seeping is not bad. That's what you call a minor leak.
Okay.
Excessive means, bro, you keep adding oil. What the fuck? We'll check your Plenum again. Double check it. But,
Oh yeah. Let me check it right now.
check your spark plug.
Oh shit.
You got oil in it.
Damn.
Probably your O-rings are kind of bad and a lot of bypass. But there you go, bro.
Whew.
That's your number one reason right there.
Oh my gosh. That
We'll
looks.
finally know for a fact that 1% is when we turn it on. So
Mm-hmm.
what we'll do is we'll change all your spark plugs now.
Okay.
That's what
Might
I
as well.
would do.
Yeah.
Might as well.
Okay.
But
That's
that's it, dog.
the. Woo!
Right, me that is?
Woo! Yes. I'm happy for that. I'm
Remember,
happy.
Just do the basics. Start from the... Don't overthink it. Don't think like your motor's blowing up. There's only one way for your motor to blow up, bro. Put it back together. You break it.
Mm-hmm.
You're fucking just don't. You just don't know.
Right, you don't know drive. That's
You're
right.
boosting high or something.
Right,
Motors just
right.
don't break.
Right.
You gotta think about all these cars that are driving.
Mm-hmm.
Motors just don't break. I'm gonna tell you. Here's a secret. They are murder, dog. They are murder. It's like a catalytic.